Video 815, BFJ 115. Let's get going. So let's go over here. Const macros by system and the key binding constants. We have editor controller 2 constants. Lay Sobo has been changed from S to V because we can't use the S key because the S key is already used for the WASD that modifies the fractal brush size. In fact, we can see it right down here. Okay, next section. So in the Art Girl shader strings within shader source fragment number 8, SSF8 shader source fragment, this is the bombs for Josh shader, and within the main entry point of that function, within the value unit section, we've added a value unit for whether or not we have a fem tile, and then also the fem tile value, the FATA encoded monochrome image tile. Let's go down to the next section. Okay, so actually it's not that far down, but this is a generic zero initialization section where I'll put anything that needs to be zero initialized. We need to zero initialize has fem to false to 0 because by default it's going to be false. Let's go down to the next section. Okay, what's my fire tile? So we have a little macro to detect if we have a FATA tile, and we've plopped this on top of our branching. So if we do not have a FATA tile, then it's possible that we could have a fem tile, because a fem tile and FATA tile cannot coexist. So to detect if we have a fem tile, we have to take the red channel and mask it with a binary 1, and that will detect whether we have a weak-ass tile type of the fem 336 type, right? The fem tile is a subtype of a W16 tile. Okay, has fem right here. Now, we're going to extract the fem tile value regardless of whether or not we have it because shaders don't like branching, and it's a 9-bit value. So we're going to take all the bits of the green and shift it over to the left once so we can extract the most significant bit of the blue and tack that on all the way into the least significant bit slot. And we're going to smash that all together, and now we have our 9-bit fem tile value right here. Down here in render collected binary tiles, we haven't done anything. I still don't know exactly how I want to render it. Here's what we did previously, and then footnotes and stuff. And if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here because we do not have any time here. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. Like, subscribe, and follow.